The manufacturing and service industry are highly competitive and constantly evolving. One common problem related to Lean Six Sigma issue is waste management, which is activity or process does not add to value. As growth demand from industry for Lean Six Sigma knowledge, it has become increasingly important for University Science Malaysia to incorporate Lean Six Sigma training into curriculum. It is called EPE 432 Lean Six Sigma Manufacturing. EPE 432 course utilize gamification strategies through Lego Lift and help simulation. This approach combines problem-based learning, collaborative learning, and student-centered learning to help the student apply their knowledge in the real-world setting. The curriculum include individual assessment and group assessment. There are several individual assessments which are book summary, M&M games, Facebook review, and individual Socrative test. Group assessment involve PDCA project. As PDCA project closure, students will prepare a Viva presentation. This provides an opportunity for students to showcase their work, demonstrating the understanding and receive feedback. Educational trips to Prince Songkla University and Universitas Sumatera Utara provide practical exposure and enhance learning beyond the classroom. The industrial visit offers students the real-world insight into Lean Six Sigma industry application. As the honored guest of Lean Six Sigma 10-year anniversary, we invite Dean of Medical Engineering School, Associate Professor Dr. Jamaluddin, Quality Control Manager at Watkins Wellness Mexico, Mr. Selman, and General Manager Flex System Penang, Malaysia, Madam Seganayaki, to give their valuable speech. Upon completion EPE 432 course, the student will graduate in Lean Six Sigma Yellow Belt, which serve as a significant achievement and recognition to boost their morale, motivation, and engagement. With the dedications from the students and lecturers, they were recognized and won the Innovation in Teaching and Learning competition, Intellect 2023, and bring home cash prize of 1,000 ringgit. At the end of EPE 432, the feedback were gathered through platforms such as Padlet and Facebook to give their comments.